Technology should drive growth, not create obstacles. Transform your business with a leading IT company backed by Threvion's proven expertise. Align technology with business goals through executive-level CIO guidance, strategic planning, and proactive cybersecurity and compliance oversight. Reduce risk with SIM-driven threat detection and response, backed by continuous threat monitoring that helps protect your business. Keep employees productive with fast issue resolution, clear escalation support, and a self-service portal for ticket visibility. Maximize technology value through vendor and licensing management, while optimizing technology spend across your organization. We maintain a 98% CSAT rating, 96% client retention, and proudly support 45+ companies. See why organizations continue choosing us. Clients value our strategic guidance, responsive support, cybersecurity expertise, and measurable business outcomes. Ready to transform your business with a leading IT company? Contact Thrivion today.